In fact, going down even more. Over the weekend, it did go down a bit. It's not a big deal, but the price action is in line with past updates and the yellow wave count, which, as you may know from other videos, I give a higher chance of happening. Things are going down. We've stayed below a trend line. We're still below levels of support, and there have been 5 waves of falling prices. Then there were 3 waves of corrective rises. That's pretty much how things are, and that keeps the trend from going up. And yes, of course, I mean that the bearish sets could be easily thrown out. This morning I put it in one of the updates for our Discord group that really structure here to the downside. It's not quite clear. That which took place over the weekend is not clear at all. The weekend is clearly a slow time for us. The stock market is closed tomorrow, as I said. It looks like we'll have less. Trade isn't going as strong in the US anyway because of the holiday. Overall, it might be a bit unclear, price movement right now, which is something we want to talk about. As I already said, the price has been going down even more, which fits better with the idea that the bigger plan for that began to come together in March. Things are still going as planned, and this could take us to around 45,000. Price still fits very well with that idea. We need to see the micro level plan to figure out how we're going to get there. It's likely to change a few times, but it's clear that the trend is down. There is no proof at all. This trend line is nice and straight at 45 degrees. We're not very close to it. No doubt, the price could try it again. But as I already said, the issue is that the microstructure isn't very clear. There was a 5-wave drop and a 3-wave rise. And that, let's say, proved that the setting was bearish. The resistance areas are still the same, as I said in yesterday's update, which I shared on Discord yesterday. However, the price is testing the previous swing lows without breaking them. For the record, I'm not sure about the microstructure. It's likely to change at the micro level, but the resistance areas haven't shifted. And a break above these support areas makes it less likely that the bearish setups will happen. So once more, the price action made the weakness we talked about even more clear, right? Yes, we did go down a little further. There were no big changes, we just went down a little further. We could also say that this wave has reached its peak. I don't really like the idea that much. And that's because, as I already said, the price action from the Thursday high point to the low point isn't very clear. It doesn't seem rash. We should be in the third wave of the third wave based on the wave count. For the most part, that should be the fastest sell-off. But it's clear that it's not going down very quickly, is it? Even though it's going down, it's not really what you'd expect from a third or third wave. There may be something else going on. I can't say for sure that higher wave 2 isn't there. In fact, I like the idea that wave 2 is still happening and that the drop here would be a B wave or something. It would be like wave 1 going down, wave A going up, wave B going too far to the bottom, and then wave C going up. But yeah, I did say that it's a little unclear because these B waves are going too far. If the price breaks above the trend line, that could also send us higher for a bigger wave. Keep an eye out for that, for now. Though I'm keeping an eye out for lower prices. But we shouldn't be too quick to sell, so we should be careful not to do that. That means there may be something else going on, and I'm pretty sure the number of waves will change a little bit, but there's no sign of strength. But it doesn't really matter if we go up a little and then come down or go down right away. What matters is that we break above support, above 63,400, to make the bearish scenarios less likely. In fact, if we knew it was fine, it would be about 63,400, which would make the yellow count less likely and officially invalidate it, with a break above the high point of the B wave at about 65,000. That's the latest news about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the news. Please click like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Also, if you enjoy the videos a lot, please check out the channel membership. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thanks for seeing it. Goodbye.